Good morning, day 83 of backpacking from Wigan England to Wigan in the Philippines, fundraising money for Andy's Man Club and Men's Mental Health charity. So just on top of the roof of the hotel that we booked, it was 750 rupees per night. We've been here for 2 nights. Didn't do much yesterday, just slept as much as I could, probably having about 14 hours in total. Just shattered. So yeah, I'm going to show you this hotel. It was built 170 years ago and it was an old Sultan's palace. So the bedrooms are small, you know, there's nothing to them, but the views are amazing and the courtyards are really good as well. I'll show you now. We're on the roof of the palace, what is now an hotel, and each day we hear the call to prayer from the mosque next door. Probably about 5-6 times a day, no problems, no issues. And when they do, this car park here is full, jam-packed, full of bikes, cars, people coming. And then down here, we normally have a group of goats grazing on this grassland, but there is none this morning. So none of these are en suite. They've all got toilets outside, showers outside. But yeah, this is like the second floor. I don't want to go too far because some of them are people's personal quarters, I think, like over here. Someone lives there, I think the owner, I'm not sure. So this is the main courtyard. And then what you see down there is 4 toilets, 4 showers. This is dead centre courtyard, as you can see. An amazing place. Alright, Basti. Do you mind if I show them your room?
Yeah.
Is that okay? So this is Basti's room. It's a double room. What's through there? Never even noticed that because of wardrobe.
Yeah, I think so.
Or is it a place to next door?
No.
Ah, so you can get through to next door, or is it just a wardrobe? Oh, no, okay. Bit small wardrobe, isn't it? But this is Basti's room. Right, about ready for checkout, so we have to check out for 11. Shower, basic, but running water, you know. My room. Mine's just a single. Ignore that, the paint has come off the ceiling when the fan's been on, splattered everywhere. Just want to show you the other side of India, you know, where people living on the streets, you know, not much money, getting by as they can, but I'm going to walk through here. Bit risky, but, you know, they're all local. If I do get in any trouble, I'll just get out of there as soon as possible. Lots of goats about, you know, different things. Hello, pal. Oh yeah, I'm going to walk through now, see what happens. But yeah, this is, you know, you've got your high rises, then you come to these here. Hello. Hello. Are you good? I have no money. My bag with him. You know, this is what it's like, just slum area. People asking for money. This guy's been drinking, so. Hello, how are you? Are you good?
Okay.
Good, good, good.
Oh, okay.
Good, 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 good.
Yes,
Hello.
Okay. Okay, please.
Hello. But yeah, you know, this goat's well fed. Hello. Well fed. The back streets. How are you? Are you good?
Oh, okay.
Okay, go okay. And then they have the shrine. Hindu or Catholic? Hindu? What religion? Christian or Hindu? So Christian, yes? Okay. So we see, so mainly it's Hindu, but yeah, it's Christian here. So Ah, okay. Yes, yes. Can I look here? Yeah, okay.
Go inside.
Inside?
Yeah, go
Is that okay? My shoes?
No.
Is that okay? Okay. See, I like you say, you know, you've got a slum area, but then you have places like this where you have a bit of a shrine or a temple. Looks like people are storing the stuff in here, but it's good. Man, it's warm in here. Hello. Hello. Can I walk this way? Okay.
Where going?
To street. Main street here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Your local shops, you know, all your mod cons. Hello, are you good? Hello. And then who would have spotted it? Schwarzenegger. Ernie. Arnold. You know, it's not the poorest of places. Which was, hello, are you good? You were sewing? Singer? Singer sewing machine. Okay, nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Where else can we go? You know, the back of houses. The local well. You know, someone's house. Hello. Let's have a walk down here. Hello. 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 Ishwawa temple built in the 7th century, and it's a Hindu temple to the god Shiva. So this is my first masala chai, which is basically a tea, Indian tea. Very milky, very sugary, very sweet, but nice. Yeah, not bad. Bit spicy.
That's good.
But probably shouldn't be drinking this in this weather. 33 outside, but we paid for 30 rupees, quick pit stop. The Sandform Cathedral, built 1523. I don't know whether the camera's fetching it out, but the sun coming through the stained glass windows is at the top ones is impressive. Hello. Getting on, mate. Nearly knocked me out. Hello. Oh. YouTube. Were you laughing when they what? Yeah, yeah. Hello! So tonight's dinner, steamed rice, chicken tikka masala. This is what?
Paneer tikka masala, paneer butter masala, gobi manchurian.
Which is cauliflower with a sauce and peppers and stuff, and an ham. In the centre of Chennai, dead centre, catching a sleeper bus from here at 11 o'clock, 30 minutes ago, catching a night sleeper bus to Bangalore, and we'll arrive about 6 or 7 in the morning. 350 rupees, that's £3.50 English, and about, I don't know, $5 American. So yeah, first time I've ever been on one of these, looking forward to it. It's non-AC, we could have upgraded to AC, better sleepers, paid up to 900 rupees, but cheap and cheerful. See how we get on. So a quick video of the bus. This side singles, 6 on top, 6 below. And then this side you've got doubles with my mate Basti. And yeah, sleeps 2. And then there's 6 on top and 6 below. And then you get a little phone holder, a light. Go on, Basti, switch it on, mate, give a demonstration. Well, it doesn't work. And these chargers, we don't know if they're going to work as well, we'll have to see.
I don't think so.
Anyway, we've got 7 or 8 hours on here. We're one of the first people on. But many more stops to go, pick people up. And yeah, first time seeing it. The bed seemed comfy. I just hope Basti don't try and hug me when I'm asleep. And also, yes, both working. Basti said that's the first, and he's caught 4 of these.
Yeah.
4 of them, and these are the first sort of work, so we got lucky. Anyway, gonna catch you on the next video. Get some sleep. Enjoy the views out the window. No work on, so that'll be open probably the majority of the night. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.